So what I'm about to do is show you a eye contact exercise which relies on the dog working out the problem rather than luring him to look at us, so holding a piece of food in front of our face. Now, the benefit of getting them to work it out is that it will take more brain power and they'll end up more tired for the day. Okay, and generally a tired dog is one that we're happy with. So let's see if London can work out this puzzle. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold a handful of treats in my hand, I'm going to hold it out to the side, and I'm going to ignore his attempts to grab it, but the moment he looks away from it, I'm going to reward him for that. In a minute, when we've had our cuddles. Good boy. Want some of that cheese? So I hold the treats. Yes, good lad. Out to the side. Good boy. Yes. And the moment he looks towards me, I mark it and then I reward it. Now he's trying to work out how to get into my pocket, where all the food is. Yes. Yes. Good lad. Yes. Good boy. You see, when he paws, I don't do anything. If he mouths, I'm not making a big deal out of it. It's a little bit of frustration coming out from him. Good boy. Yes. Well done. Yes. Good lad. Yes, good boy. And even if he goes off and then looks at me, I can still mark it and then pay for that as well. Good boy, well done. Yes. And you'll see he'll start to do it faster and faster. Yes, good boy, because it will work for him. And dogs do what works. Yes. And it'll start to prevent going from the food because that doesn't work for him. Yes, hello, mate. You're that good boy. Yeah. Yes, good lad. Well done. Yes. Getting tired already, aren't you? Take us a few sessions, but we'll wait before we have another go. We'll give him a little chance to have a rest, think it through, let that sink in, let him download that information, and then come back and do another session. And this is the beauty of these short sessions. They don't have to be long. They can be like 3 minutes, and you don't have to spend hours and hours. Obviously, when you go to a dog training class, you have to do an hour because it wouldn't make much sense to travel to a dog training class for 3 minutes and then come back. But when you're at home, those short bite-sized sessions make all the difference, don't they, mate?